this video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually warm up in CS2, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, if you haven't already loaded up a workshop map, make sure to watch our video on how to actually do that, because this is how you're actually going to be warming up. This is a really simple process. All you have to do is load up the map and you'll be able to warm up in any way you'd like. Now, if you want, you can change the different armors that are the ones that your bots are using. You can change the knives that you're using, and you can also change the guns that you're using as well. For example, if I wanted to use a different gun, I would select it and it would load up. For example, if I'm using this gun and I want to use a bayonet, it would then load up my bayonet. If I wanted to use a butterfly knife, it would load that up as well. Now, same thing with the guns, you're just going to shoot whichever gun you want to use, and then you can warm up as well. Now, as you can see, this is really simple. It shows the bot armor, the movement, as well as the range control. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.